If you don't want people to change the content in a workbook, you can protect it. This shouldn't be used as a privacy and security measure. People can print, copy, paste, and import and export copies of a protected workbook. But it can be used to prevent people from editing the data on the different tabs, so only share workbooks with people you trust. Select the tab, right-click on it, and choose Protect the Sheet. A new menu will appear on the right side of the screen, where you can choose if you want to protect the entire sheet or just a range. You can enter a description to easily remember what information has been protected. For example, I can protect the entire sheet except this range here if I want collaborator to be able to modify it. Once ready, click on Set Permissions. A new window will open and we can decide if we want to just show a warning or actually lock the sheet depending on the user. The options are only you or to go through the list of the collaborator and check the ones that we want to be able to edit. If I select only you and confirm, I'll be the only one with full access to edit the sheet, while all other collaborators can only edit the range B3 to F7. When a sheet is locked, a small icon will display close to the name of the sheet. It is always possible to look at the permission setting by right-clicking on the name of the tab and selecting Protected Sheet. The right side menu will pop up again.